welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's DisplayHDR 1000 compatible 16-inch WQXGA mini LED laptop, and friend, it is a QFIT, DCI P3 compliant, golden ratio display, and MSI launched this 16-inch laptop PC, the Prestige-16-A12UD-098 for business and creators. And friend, it will be available only on the MSI official web shop beginning 22nd September, and the liquid crystal display employs a golden ratio display which provides WQXGA resolution and a DCI P3 color gamut, and additionally inserting a mini LED. It is DisplayHDR 1000 compatible, allowing for high contrast and deep visual expression. Since the CPU is a Core i7-1280p and the graphics is a GeForce RTX 3050 Ti laptop GPU, and it can be utilized for business and creative activities such as video or picture editing and 3D CAD or 3D animation creation. And the LPDDR5 32GB memory, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, IEEE 802.11a, B, G, and ACAX wireless LAN, and Bluetooth 5.2 are the major specification. And friend, MicroSD card reader, Thunderbolt 4x2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A into 2, HDMI into 1, headphone output, microphone input, combination jack into 1, and so on are among other interfaces. And friend, the battery has a capacity of 65 hours, 4 cells, 4160 mAh lithium ion, a continuous running period of up to 10 hours and 30 minutes, and exterior dimensions of 358 mm wide, 258.55 mm depth, 16.85 mm thickness, and weight of 2.1 kg. And friend, the operating system includes Windows 11 Pro, and it is priced at $2089. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.